Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Want to make your designs pop with a cool torn paper look? I'll show you how. Click the Create button, then select Custom Size from the menu. Here, you have the option to choose any dimensions that fit your needs. Enter your desired width and height, then confirm your selection to proceed with your custom canvas. Go to the Elements tab, then search for Picture in the search bar to find images. Browse through the images and select a beautiful picture that you like from the available options displayed here. Next, type the following text exactly as shown in the text box provided. Then double check for accuracy. Add the feature by clicking the plus icon, then use the resize handles to enlarge it to your desired size. Next, open the Elements tab in your sidebar. In the search bar, type Developer and press Enter to view relevant graphic options. I'm going to add this item to our list. Here, you can see we already have one item on the list. Now, let's include the new item by clicking the Add button. Click the Expand button to reveal more options or details in the current interface panel. To share the page, locate the Share button at the top right corner. Click it to open the sharing options, then choose Copy Link or Invite People to send access to others as needed. Now we need to turn the image back on. Locate the image layer in your Layers panel on the right side of the screen. Click the eye icon next to the layer to make it visible again. This will display the image on your canvas as before. Ensure the image is active before proceeding to the next steps in your editing process. Click the Share button, then select Download to save this file to your device. Save your file by selecting the PNG format from Options. Select PDF and choose Print for the highest quality printing. Try out the torn paper effect in Canva and give your designs a unique edge. Like and subscribe for more creative tips.